Welcome back, my brethren and my sisterin. We are back with Crash Site, or whatever this one is, for part 2. I don't know. What is there? Only 2 parts left?
Let's get right into the news.
I think, is this the final one? I think we actually finish out in this episode.
No, there's 2 more.
Is there?
Like all these zombies I killed.
Molly right here if someone needs them.
Pills here! Where's all them zombies?
Oh, we're bugged. No zombies.
Yeah, we waited so long at the beginning, all of them just despawned. Oh,
Oh my god, there's a tank.
you see him?
Oh, this is the one you were
Yeah.
talking about.
Yep, let's get out of here. Goodbye, Zoe. Oh!
So we just got shredded.
Yeah, well, it was for the health of the team, so we appreciate
That's
it.
right.
Good game.
Well done, Zoe.
You're gonna kill her. She's like, "Rawr!" Dude, she looks like she's in pain.
She's like, stop it!
I like her shoes.
Is that why you were shooting her so you can get her
No,
shoes?
this is the Zoe challenge. Right?
Toxic teammate.
1 bar of health.
All right, see ya, Zoe.
Survive, Zoe, come on. Oh wait, is she gonna bleed out? Look at her limping! Look at her limping! Oh god!
Look, she still looks out for our health, even when we're killing her.
Damn, who's doing that
All
fire?
right.
Oh, I shot the fire. Oh wait, let's read the
Who
board.
started the fire? It says always something to help those.
Always kill
Yeah.
Zoe to survive.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Must be it.
Alright, see you later.
See you, Zoe. Dude, you're bleeding. Oh my god, I'm not touching that. Look at, she's bleeding.
How bad are you?
Is
How
it?
bad are you? Is it bad?
Is it bad? Sorry, baby. You got more health now, thanks to me. Just
How'd that happen?
slightly more health.
We gotta get through that pile of junk.
It went way further than I wanted it to.
That
Hunter was
hunter just
coming
got
for us, though.
eliminated. Whoa, Boomer!
Dude, I like how shotguns in this game have realistic range, dude.
Yeah, it can shoot real far. I hear
Hunter.
Boomer.
Hunter.
I shot Zoe in the butt. Now she's really
Hunter.
hurt.
Hunter. Hunter's dead. Boomer's dead.
Sorry, this airport's closed.
Yeah. Man, everybody's really out to travel today.
Man, these coronavirus patients are getting wild.
Oh my god, they really are.
Better protect Zoe. She's about to get smacked.
Dude, I'm getting my ass kicked over here.
Boy, if you don't.
Zoe's literally one hit.
Look, she's getting like she's the beat.
See her shooting? She's like, I give up. Kill me.
She kind of looks like the chick from the last one.
Yeah.
Molly, pipe bomb here.
I want the molly. I haven't used enough of them.
I wonder if we can use pain pills on her.
Yeah, you can give them to her. Come here. She said, "Oh, it really hurts."
Look how many mollies are here.
Yeah. Oh my god. Well, I'm gonna name this one the betrayal, dude.
Yeah. Betrayal ammo.
Ammo here. Hunter.
Wait, look, come
Sneaky
here.
boy. I say, baby girl, where you at? That's burn the witch.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. Oh, I'm back.
Burn the witch. Said I protected Zoe, but he wasn't even near her. Oh, she's right there.
Where?
You're dead.
Help! Help!
We got her. We got her. He said,
I
help.
just ran into like a fuck ton of zombies.
Francis!
Just yells.
Go home. Work is over.
Yeah. Quarantine, bitches. Stay home.
That guy's got a TSA jacket on.
Can't see too many marbles.
That sounds like a lot.
Undo the metal detector. The zombies are...
Can we climb on top of these suitcases? Oh, you can.
There's a lot of zombies here, bro. When you know how I set that off, I
You just ran through it like a normal person.
yeah. You know, I wanted to make sure I didn't have any metal on me.
Yeah, that's probably a good idea actually in this certain scenario.
Alright, yeah, nothing there.
See, that was kind of cool. Like, boom. Double kill.
Duty-free shopping. Oh, the shelves are... Someone even fucked up the ATM, look.
What'd they do?
Oh, they knocked it over.
Wow, that's disrespectful.
Ah,
Got him.
thanks. Alright, they're coming.
Oh yeah, yeah. Zoe was dying back there.
Ah, good riddance. Fucking whore.
Sorry, sweet.
She's like, get it off, and I look behind me like, oh, hey, Molotov in
That's
here.
always what they say to me. Damn it.
Molotov.
Oh, I need one.
In that room over there.
Where?
Stay
Where?
hydrated, boys.
Did you get it?
Wait, did I just give you a pain pill by accident?
I
Yeah.
believe you did.
You're welcome. Sharing is caring, you know.
Reloading.
Yeah, I heard you zombies. They sound horrible.
Boomer.
Look at the kid. See, it's a child.
Hey,
Where?
guys?
Yeah, looks like a little kid.
Where? This one? The one that's legs were.
No, it was before that. It was still in this.
Hey, hey, guys, this way.
Oh yeah.
Come on, ladies. Everyone inside.
Hey, pick up the med kits
No,
before she...
I was gonna say. Like shit. Oh my gosh. Why am I killing so many?
You're just that good, bro.
Thank you.
It's clear.
The finale is coming. Who will...
Feeling real hot.
Come on, let me heal you up.
You did, Zoe? Oh, yeah, I saw you grab her ass, bro.
I was gonna say I wasn't healing her. High five!
Us out of this shithole. I told you I'd get you out of here.
Dude, that one was up on top of the plane puking.
Look, you see the plane? Look, the plane's landing.
It's crashing.
Reloading.
Oh, what the hell? Oh, what the hell? Oh, it's going down.
It's coming right at us.
Oh my god. I told you I didn't think it was gonna actually land. I mean, technically did. Jesus Christ.
Crazy scary.
Wait, there's another plane right there that's not broken.
Yeah, I think that's the point. We're supposed to get on a plane.
We already got in a helicopter and lived. How many lives did...
Smoker.
They gone.
I got you, Zoe.
Damn, Brandon, that thing was really on.
I know.
Girls from Tinder.
Hey, haha. I'm on-
Answer the radio.
I'm on top of the plane, boy.
Alright, I'm gonna answer the. Oh, we got another minute.
We gotta come up with a plan.
I wonder if we can get on the wing of that
Boys,
plane.
get 100 health. There's med kits.
I don't know. This is long
You're
range.
a beautiful man.
This is long range. I think might want the AR for this.
He wants to be gassed up, guys. You guys
Oh,
are
look,
doing a
there's
very good
propane
job with
tank over
it.
there. There's a...
Nope.
Molly's here. Pipe bombs.
You're a beautiful man.
Matt, you don't want to get on the minigun?
I'll get on the minigun.
I'm just standing up here, boys. Somebody wants to get on the minigun, we can protect you. Or try to.
Oh, they got the back.
Oh dear lord.
He's on fire.
Oh,
he
good
really
boys. I
fucking
don't like that minigun.
Yeah, I don't like it either. They're coming from literally everywhere.
Yeah, I'm getting fed because of the boomer there. I was happy with that spot I was in, and now I'm scared.
I'll protect you, brother.
Oh lord, I didn't.
That guy took a lot of shots to die. That boomer's on fire.
That was not as safe of a spot as I thought.
I don't think there are any safe spots on this one. This is wild.
It's pretty
bro.
safe
Wait
up
till the
here.
tank- Wait till the tank comes.
I think the tank won't actually be that bad because you can like run around things.
Tell me open.
Sneaky boy! Sneaky boy down. I'm reloading.
Tried to spit on me, you fucking bitch. No one spits, you gotta swallow.
We can call them heavy boys instead.
I call him Biggest Loser.
Tank. No. Get away from him!
Yeah, I don't think we'd want to be firing a gun to a gas truck. 3/4. Oh, where? Oh, good job, Zoe.
Yeah.
We kept you around for a reason.
She'd be like, what do you mean you kept me around? A hunter,
God.
hunter.
I'm coming from the backside.
Somebody say
Oh,
backside.
boys. I got this, boys.
There you go, that's good stuff. Hunter's still alive.
Well, Ryan, don't worry, it's fine. Jet fuel doesn't melt.
Oh yeah.
I got him. I need to reload like everything.
Boomer.
Ah, help.
I got you, big
It,
papa.
it looked like he was gonna fly over me, so I didn't even bother shooting at him. Oh, I just shot you.
Matt, heal up. Matt, heal up.
Tubby boy getting sniped.
There's a tank over there.
Alright,
Got you, Brandon.
I'm gonna use my hunting rifle.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, he just threw that whole thing.
Just wrecked him a lot with the hunting rifle.
I sniped him in the head with the hunting rifle like 10 times.
Yeah, me too.
I hit him with the minigun. Boomer.
Smoke.
Get to the plane.
No, we're gonna save Matt! We're gonna save Matt! I got you, home. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's get out of here. Let me in! Zoe gets sucked away and we're like, sorry.
We all made it this time. You two made it.
We've made it the last 3, dude. We only didn't make it the first one, right?
Well done.
Next time on YouTube, we will see where the plane.
That's right.
Woo!
YouTube, we will see you on episode 9.
That's right.
Subscribe.